Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, what are we making?
Pizza. Breakfast pizza.
We're making breakfast pizza. Have you guys ever heard of a breakfast pizza before? I just found out actually Domino's used to make a breakfast pizza back in the 1980s. So we're going to recreate that this morning, okay?
Yay.
Alright, let's go get our ingredients. Okay, so you can either make your own pizza dough or the store that we shop at actually pre-makes it and sells it like that. So that's what we bought yesterday. Make it a little easier. I've never made my own pizza dough before, so there we go. And how are we supposed to nope, I'm not even going to attempt to do that.
Trying to be fancy.
You know what, I might have to actually. This is ridiculous. There we go, alright. Okay, now first, what do you think we need to add?
The cheese?
Cheese. Now, they actually called for American cheese on here, but I think American cheese is crap. So this is much better. This is Colby Jack cheese. So we're going to actually add this to it instead. I like my pizzas nice and cheesy. But we still have to add the egg. That's one of the main parts, so we're gonna not add too much cheese. Spread it out nice and even. Actually, I might take the whole thing. I think that's good. Spread it out. Okay, it looks good like that. Alright, now the next ingredient is our meats. So in theirs they actually just added sausage, bacon, cheese, and egg. I kind of went with some Canadian bacon also. Thought that might be interesting. So let's add some of our bacon in here. Really curious to see how this is going to turn out. You think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Sounds really good. Spread that out a little more. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let's do our sausage now. And we didn't have the typical sausage you would see on like a pepperoni pizza, so I just took some pre-cooked sausage patties, threw them in the blender, and they kind of made more of a crumble than actual sausage. So we'll see how that turns out. It should be okay. Might actually be better. Okay, I think it's pretty good. I'm not a huge sausage fan, so. Alright, and some Canadian bacon. I'm calling this pizza the Meat Lover's Breakfast Pizza. Alright, I think that's enough of Canadian bacon. Now, last ingredient is our eggs. And they use, in the video I saw, they actually said that they use liquid eggs. Obviously, I don't know why you would put a whole egg in there, but see if we can do this without making too much of a mess. I don't think you would add too much. I've got 3 eggs in here, by the way.
I will be right back.
I'll add all the eggs to that. I've never made this before, so we're kind of winging it right now. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. And the last thing, which I forgot to grab, is melted butter. And they just added melted butter around the outside So we'll do the same thing and see how it turns out. Alright guys, got our melted butter here. Just gonna put that along the edge. I'm using Kerrygold butter, my favorite butter to use here. Alright. That looks interesting. Okay, let's go put this on the smoker. Alright guys, got our temp set to 425. Let's throw our pizza in here and give it about 12 to 18 minutes. Alright guys, time to take the pizza off. That looks really, really good. Man guys, this looks amazing. I didn't think it was going to puff up that much. I thought it was going to be more like a thin crust. And that looks good. Wow. Try a piece. That is really, really good.
Whoa. It's cheesy.
Man, you guys have got to try this. It's probably going to be something that we're going to have to do more often. Definitely, I really like that crust, but I think it wasn't too bad. There's a lot of prep, so you might have to wake up about a half an hour earlier to prep your breakfast. But yeah, that was really, really good. If I didn't mention that before, it was 425. I used a pellet smoker grill, and I used hickory on this, and so 425 for about 15 minutes, and it seemed to be perfect. I was a little bit concerned on the top of the pizza. It looked like the egg was raw, but it's actually just the oil from the butter and from the cheese that was kind of up on top. So everything cooked nice and perfect. Yeah, you guys got to try this. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.